Good Saturday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Sam Sampieri in the Fox 61 Weather Watch. Yes, and overnight, Friday night and early Saturday, we did pick up a little bit of snow. Some of the hill towns picked up as much as 3 to 4 inches. Bakerville coming in 1.5 inches down in the valley, but you go up the hill in Goshen, 3 to 4 inches, and also 4 inches in Prospect up on the hill towns, but you go down in the valley and you basically have a coating to an inch. Most of us getting about a coating to an inch elsewhere. So that's storm number one. High pressure builds in right here in the Great Lakes for Sunday, the calm before our next storm. It's already gathering moisture. We have the northern branch up here coming out of Canada, the southern branch and the Pacific, sort of that trail, that railroad train of moisture coming in off the southern Pacific, coming into the southern branch of the jet stream, into the southern tier. Both systems are going to merge and form a big East Coast storm somewhere off the mid-Atlantic coast and begin to track northward. So we'll be on the weather watch for Monday night through Tuesday into Tuesday night for a major nor'easter. It's not a matter that if it's coming and it's developing. It's a matter of the storm track of what precipitation types and how it all comes together. So here's one scenario, actually both scenarios. Here's a GFS model, shows a storm forming well offshore, but there's no cold air in place. Usually when this happens, you get snow everywhere. But in this case, because we have such warm temperatures at the surface, that a lot of the precipitation will fall as rain unless you get north and west to 84, and this is where you'll have the chance to even start as snow. During the day on Tuesday, as this storm starts to wrap up, it's going to curve northwestward and change a lot of the rain over to snow, and it's basically going to slow down as well. So we could have a period of a mix and heavy rain for a while, and then going over to heavy wet snow. We can expect some scattered power outages, even more. It really all does depend on how hard that snow starts to fall, especially in northwestern hills and in northeastern hills too on the back side. And you notice Wednesday morning you still got some snow showers around, although I think by Tuesday night most of the steadiest, heaviest precipitation will be out of here. Here's the European model, almost the same scenario. This forms a little closer, but stronger, and therefore you have colder air to work with dynamically. That is, a storm has to create its own cold air and pull down all that cold air aloft. And from eastern Canada, it drains into low pressure here. And look at how it's sitting here, spinning just off Cape Cod, actually going towards Martha's Vineyard. Here it is at 11 a.m. and most of us snowing pretty heavily here. So the Europeans a little colder, but again, this is this morning's run. We'll have to watch and see what happens during the next couple of days. This kind of a storm can bounce around. It could close in closer to Connecticut. That would give us more rain and mix and less snow. Or it can go a little bit further out, and that would be more in the way of heavier snow, although if it's further out, it might not last as long and go away. So we're going to have to watch this carefully. Right now, it is going to slow down. Here it is at Tuesday evening into Tuesday night, and here we are Wednesday morning, and we still got some snow showers. So again, this storm means business. We're going to have to watch it very carefully as we get closer to the time frame. Your Fox 61 7-day forecast will show you. Don't forget to turn the clocks ahead 1 hour to daylight saving time. Meanwhile, we're on the weather watch alert for Monday night into Tuesday, into even Tuesday night, and boy, are we in for it. Big wind, heavy rain, heavy snow, heavy mix, and probably some coastal flooding as well. Temperatures dropping into the 30s. And then windy and cold on Wednesday, and then we moderate with the temperatures back up into the 50s by the end of next week. Meanwhile, everyone have a great day. Enjoy the St. Patrick's Day Parade in Hartford. And I'm meteorologist Sam Sampieri.